set a timer. Race yourself. So I'm going to take a few minutes to hopefully edit all of those in. I'm gonna sit and edit the vlog. So we just have some dishes, so there's quite a bit to do in here. I'm gonna set my timer for an hour. I was gonna include some of that footage because I like showed some new products. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. So today is Vlogtober day number 4. Yesterday was supposed to be Vlogtober day number 4, and I did vlog a little bit, but really all I did yesterday was edit a bunch of videos so that way they can go up while I'm out of town. And also I was gonna include some of that footage because I like showed some new products and whatever. But this morning it said that that memory card was locked and it like wasn't showing any of my footage. So sometimes that happens. So I just know not to use that memory card. But we're starting fresh today. So as you guys saw, James made us some smoothies. So I had that, it was delicious. And now I have several things to do before we leave later today. So I need to clean, do some laundry, pack. I have Vlogtober day number 3 to finish editing. I did start it yesterday, but I didn't finish it, so I have to do that. And I have one order that I just need to package up and take out to the mailbox, so it's gonna be a busy day. I'm probably going to start with the order and then clean, because some of the spaces I cleaned the other day, so I just need to tidy them back up. So they won't really take that long. So I think I'm gonna try to do that, because the thing is I can take my computer with me and edit at night if I have to. So yeah, I just wanna get my house clean, back in order, and feel good about leaving for a few days. So I'm very, very excited about this trip. My sister is coming and she wasn't gonna be able to, but last minute plans changed. And so she gets to come along on this trip, which is exciting. And I'm just really excited. I'm just ready for spending time with my family and having a little bit of a break. I know that, you know, I just had a break at the beach, but just, I don't know. I'm just very excited about this trip and I'm ready to go now, even though I'm clearly not because I need to clean. But yeah, so anyway, that's what's going on in this vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this like prep for vacation with me sort of style video. I really like watching these, and I like just, you know, I like seeing like people clean their house and they pack and all of this, because I just feel motivated to do that when I watch other people do that. So hopefully you find this video motivating if you need to clean or pack or anything like that. Hopefully you find it motivating. All right. I'm gonna get all this stuff ready for the order, take that to the mailbox, and then we will get to cleaning. Okay guys, so I got the order done, and now I think I'm gonna tackle all the cleaning and packing. So here's what's on my to-do list so far. We have to finish editing Vlogtober day 3, do the thumbnail, upload Vlogtober day 3, film this vlog, which I'm already doing. And then I want, if I have time, I want to film all the TikTok IG reels. I've not done that at all this week. This lighting is so orange. I'm sorry, guys. So I'm hoping to get some done so that way I can put some stuff up while I'm gone. I need to clean the bedroom, clean the bathrooms, clean the living room, clean the kitchen. I also need to clean my office, so I should put that on here. I need to take out all the trash, pack, and water the plants. It is currently 9:55. I'm gonna set my timer for an hour, and I wanna see how much of this I can get done in an hour. So hopefully I can get most of the cleaning done within the hour, and then I just have to focus on editing. Thankfully, the bedroom's not too bad. I just need to do something with the clothes and then pack in here and also vacuum. So hopefully that won't take too long. And honestly, the worst is gonna be the bathroom, but a lot of that stuff I'm gonna pack, so it'll just be scrubbing down the bathtub and, you know, that fun stuff. So All right, I'm gonna stop babbling. I'm gonna get my timer set and we're gonna get this done. All right, timer. 1 hour. Okay, let's see how long this takes me. Here we go. Okay, we have 46 minutes left and we can check off, let's see, clean the bedroom and clean the living room. Woohoo, in 15 minutes I got 2 rooms done. So let's get to the rest of it. I think next I'm gonna tackle the office. It looks worse than it is and I'm gonna just get that knocked out of the way and then I will do the kitchen and the bathroom. So here we go. Another room done, clean. I didn't wipe down any counters, but I don't want to necessarily do a deep clean today. I just want it to look tidy. So let's see. All right, we still have over 30 minutes left and we've done 3 rooms. So if you guys need motivation to get stuff done, set a timer. Race yourself and see how long it takes you to clean. Because now I just have the 2 bathrooms and the kitchen to do. So we just have some dishes. I need to unload and reload the dishwasher, wash any dishes that can't go in the dishwasher, wipe down the counters, clean up our breakfast mess here. So there's quite a bit to do in here. So let's get started. right, guys, I have a minute and 40, basically 40 seconds to go, but I've pretty much cleaned all the countertops, the sink. I have the pizza pan out because we're gonna have pizza for lunch, so I'm gonna make that here in a little bit. But I do still need to take out the trash, wipe down the table, this right here, vacuum, and possibly mop if I have time. Okay guys, it is 2 o'clock. I just finished filming some TikTok / Instagram reel sort of stuff. So I'm going to take a few minutes to hopefully edit all of those. I did 4 of them. So I'm gonna try to sit down and like edit all of them, get them switched over to my phone, and then I'm gonna sit and edit the vlog for Vlogtober day 3. Okay guys, it is 3:30. I just finished editing the vlog, so I'm rendering it out now. I did the thumbnail, so I quickly have to upload it to YouTube, and it's just kind of stressful because I only have 30 minutes and I still have to bring in the plants, take out the trash, finish packing, which packing is like basically done, but still I'm just like, I just want to be able to leave at 4 o'clock, and I'm so excited. I also got all of my IG reels / TikToks sent to my phone, so yeah, so I'm gonna let this render out, and then I'm gonna upload it to YouTube, obviously, and then I'm gonna grab my plants. So I have a lemon balm plant that I've had for over a year now. Like, I somehow managed to keep it alive all winter, even though it's technically not a plant that like comes back year after year. I just have kept it alive. I'm very proud of myself. His name is Larry, so if I ever talk about Larry, I'm probably talking about my lemon balm plant. Anyway, I need to bring that in, and James has a, what is that tree called? I can't think of it. It's a Japanese tree, and I can't think of it. Anyway, I'm gonna bring it in and set it on the kitchen table so that way it can still get some sunlight. And then I'm also gonna put like one of those globe things in there so that way it still gets water throughout the week. Or we're not gonna be gone a week, but throughout now until we get back. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that once I start this upload process, and then I'm gonna get the last couple of things I need to pack and take out the trash and all of that fun stuff. So I'm very proud of myself that I got all of this accomplished because it was a lot today, but I feel really good about it. I didn't get everything that I would have liked to done, but I got work stuff done, and I got my house mostly clean, and then of course I got everything packed. So that's exciting. I don't know how much footage I really got today, but hopefully it was interesting for you guys. I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here so that way I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to take my camera, I'm not gonna take my computer, and I'm just gonna edit on Sunday night when we get back. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Vlogtober video. Let me know in the comments if you did. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click subscribe for more fun vlogs all throughout this month. But that is it for today's video, and I will catch you guys tomorrow for another new video. Bye guys.